Hi, Shweta. Just check your sound.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, fantastic. So it's 11 exactly. So take on the lead, 11 to 11:05 for all the people. Invitation, welcome, introduction.
Yeah, hi everyone. So a very warm good morning to each and everyone present over here and joining us on a Sunday morning. This is a family time, we understand. So this shows your commitment of coming forward and, participating in your own life. So thank you so much to each and everyone. So I'm Shweta Agrawal, and this is my second session in Plan to Win. And I'm a part of Arun's team. He's my super leader. It is my privilege, I'm very happy to introduce Arun today. So I would like to have a quick introduction about Arun. May I request everyone else to be on mute, please?
Jaya, request you to go on mute, please.
So sorry.
Okay, thank you, Jaya. So to moving ahead, I would really like to introduce Professor Arun Kumar with us. He is, of course, my mentor, and thank you so much, Arun. I'm really, really thankful to be in your team. And he is Professor Arun Kumar. He's a teacher, trainer, and an entrepreneur also. And he lives in Mumbai, and he teaches in B School schools in Mumbai. And he is an expert in subjects like entrepreneurship and project management. And he's a certified corporate trainer, and he gets people trained, and he gets things done and conducts trainings and workshops across. So that is what we are privileged to be in your team and to be with you, Arun. Thank you so much for taking today's training. So all over to you. Thanks, Arun.
Thank you so much. Okay, so exactly if I look at the watch, or I look at the clock, it's 11:02, and we will wait for more people to join in. Okay, so we will begin maybe about 5 minutes from now. Okay, so let's wait for more people to join in. Here is a request that I want you to take, or I want you to do. You guys are expert in multitasking. So you be here on this session, but at the same time, maybe on your WhatsApp chat or your your messenger, call people, invite your colleagues, check with your teams on the WhatsApp, and find out what they are doing right now. Okay, invite them to this session so that each and everyone can get good benefit out of it. Okay, so we'll take about a few minutes, take about 2-3 minutes to multitask, invite people, create some buzz, get them in. Yeah. So Siddharth, welcome. Reena, welcome. Rajesh, welcome. So Plan to Win, this must be Shweta, welcome. Sorry, Seema, welcome. Ranjuji, welcome. Glad to see you here. Okay, so multitask, guys. Do multitasking. Get your partners. Ensure that your buddies are here. You don't want your buddies to miss things. And do use chat message to spread out love, good morning, and welcome message to everyone.
This silence is so disturbing. I think, you know, when we are there in the training, I think,
We are busy calling our buddies. Don't worry.
Yeah.
yeah.
So people might be, on the phone asking other people, please join in, or they might be on the chat, uh, you know, really engaged, and calling, asking multiple people to do that. And that's the reason we might have a little bit of silence out here. Okay. So don't worry. It's just the beginning. Okay. So don't worry. It's just the beginning for us, and we can go ahead. Okay. Now, before we go ahead, uh, here are the special instructions that I had asked you. Now, what are these special instructions? Bring your laptop or your tablet to the training. Okay. So we don't want you to come over here and listen to, for the loss of words, we don't have discourse over here. Okay. We want you to get into action, get into work. And that is the reason I'm asking you to open a laptop, get your tablet. You might take few minutes to open your laptop, restart it, and get it going and all. But take your time. Okay, take your time to have your laptop in front of you. We want to work on your sheets, on your goal sheets, on your measurements, on your to-do list, on your calendar, all the things which are important to us. Okay, so you're here not just sitting to listen to discourse or pravachan, but you are here to work on your goals. Okay, so we'll be doing a lot of thinking. So do have your notepad and your notebook and a pen and paper, so that if there are any thoughts that are coming to your mind, if there are any takeaways that you have to take from here, any concepts that you got, you can write it down. Okay, so first is special instruction: bring your laptop, tablet to the training. And I want you to be in such a position that in case if I take your name and I ask you that, okay, Hamza, you have a laptop, please share your screen, then you should be able to share the screen. And by now, I'm also expecting that you guys have become expert in Zoom. You have become expert in sharing the screen, and you can quickly and easily able to do that. Get going on the Google spreadsheet. So you have now by this time have become expert in the Excel or spreadsheets as well. Okay, so I'm expecting that from here. Okay, so good job, good job. Welcome to all the participants. Be prepared and ready to share your laptop screen in case if I ask. Okay, now I'm not going to immediately ask you, pointing your name or finger, but I'll ask you on, to share on the chat who has his laptop ready to be shared, so that the work can be done. Okay, so this this batch, throughout this batch, what we are going to do is we are going to demonstrate the learning, not from my laptop, not from my slides, not from my screen, but from your screen, your your sheets, taking your inputs, taking from the point at where you are. Okay, not where I am. Okay. Third is you have your goals and measurement sheets handy. That is, you have opened it, it's out there. And if I ask you with the click of button, you can keep it over there. Also, your to-do list and your calendar is also handy. Okay, so this is the last instruction that I want you to have it, so that you guys have it. Okay, now throughout the training, I'm not going to show you my slides and give you my sample examples. In fact, I want to take sample examples from you. So that's the one. Another good another good point that I want to have from you is, when you're sharing, please have clarity of your thoughts. Okay, so the more clear you are, the better it will be for you to explain to others. So there are so many people over here. We have 19 as a number of participants. So the more clarity you have in your mind, about your goals, about your measurements, about the things that you're doing, you will be able to explain it effortlessly and easily and seamlessly to the others, so that the others can learn it from you. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying, when you share, when you discuss, when you put forth any of your inputs and comments, it has an impact on the others. So keep in mind that you have clarity on your thoughts. Don't go with ifs and buts and this and that. Okay, so we want to ensure that there is a smooth workflow, or there is a smoothness in the session. Okay, so let's begin. And we'll begin with a quick question um, that I'm going to ask you. And this question is, number one, do you guys have to-do list in front of you? Do you guys have to-do list in front of you? So just type in yes, no, maybe. Okay. Jaya, if you can put in the question, do you have to-do list in front of you? People, just answer this. Yes, no, maybe. Okay. So Gitanjali, yes. Hamza, yes. Shalaka, yes. Okay. Sonali is yes. Fantastic. 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 Okay. So don't be shy. You know, this is going to be an interactive session, and I want you to, answer all your questions, easier questions. Yes, no, maybe. Okay. So Ranju, yes. Fantastic. Okay. So now, how many of you can show your to-do list on the screen share? It's possible for you to show your to-do list on the screen share. Put in yes. Okay, so put in yes if you are able to. Okay, we'd like to see that you can do it, and we can, find it out. Okay, so Gitanjali, you have a to-do list in front of you. Fantastic. So Gitanjali, can you put on the screen your to-do list so that we can see it? And I'm going to do an exercise with you so that the others are also able to do it.
Yeah, Arun, you
Yeah.
have to enable my screen sharing.
Yes, I'll do that.
Go to screen securities and just enable the participants.
Yes. Okay. Once. Okay, just
Yes,
see.
I can share it.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, fantastic. So the screen sharing is coming up on your, on your screen. Okay, so don't get too alarmed. Okay, some people have easier screen. Some, some of us would have difficult screen and so on. So here is the thing, Gitanjali, on the go on the extreme, I would say extreme bottom, where you would have empty rows. Extreme bottom, the last of your to-do list, where nothing is there. Okay, so this is your extreme bottom, or your your empty to-do list. So so what I'm going to do is, what we are going to go through is, we are going to cover the concept of done list. Okay, and we last time we we learned it using slides. This time we are going to learn it using demo or practical. Okay, so here is a question to you, Gitanjali. What did you do today and yesterday? What are the three things that you did yesterday and today? Those are done. Those are complete. And I want you to write it over here and also explain what are these things. Okay. And once you have done it, tick mark it as yes, or strike through as okay, this is complete.
Yeah, I'm just writing it.
Yes, yes. And simultaneously, for all the others, those who have said they have a to-do list in front of them, it is handy. Okay, use it. And the exercise is, write down three things that you already did yesterday or today. Today in the morning, or you have finished it in the yesterday's session, throughout the day yesterday. Write down those three things. Okay, so while Gitanjali is doing it, after she has completed, she'll explain us what it is. Fantastic. Just three things. Okay, so Gitanjali, so one is tick mark it, and there is a strike through icon.
Yeah.
Yes. So these are already completed. So strike through.
Right, I'll do that.
Yeah. Yes, it's there. Fantastic. Okay, so can you zoom in those three items so that we can view it nicely and easily?
Okay.
Zoom the sheet, Control plus. The tech, the tech guys would be able to get this very easily. They can zoom the screen and, you can see all those things. Yeah. So quickly, what is it?
Can you see it?
Yeah, we are able to see. Yeah, see it. So just tell
I'm
us.
reading it out.
Yeah.
So birthday party preparation, birthday party happened beautifully yesterday, got finished. That 1 month project basically got finished. And then Ananya's packing and Ananya's all that, again, though it was a big project since 15 days, that got finished. She's off yesterday itself. And then today morning, my nephew and my brother-in-law, etc., they were packed off to Gurgaon with all the things and, gifts and everything. So that's off.
Wow.
Yes, they were here since a month, since a week.
Fantastic. So here is a point of observation to everyone. What the exercise that we did is called as done list exercise. And this is for us to get sticky on using to-do list. Many of us, if I ask you, is everyone using to-do list and doing it? I have got a review or I have got, inputs. People saying, yeah, I started using it, but then now I'm not using. Or yeah, I installed it, but not using. And then there are people who are using it and who are diligently using it and every day. So there is at some point, few people are missing out, and done list is the good way for you to get started to build your habit. And what you have to do is, jo complete kar diya, wo likh lo, and then you strike it off. Okay, or you tick mark as this is done. So इससे क्या होता है कि आपको habit आती है कि आप लिख रहे हो और उसको done कर रहे हो. Now, this is not exactly as your to-do list. This is not exactly as your planning. To-do list या planning में क्या होता है? You're thinking what I'm going to do, and then you do it, and then you write it, and then once you complete it, you strike it off. Whereas ये जो exercise है, done list है, आप पहले कर डालते हो, फिर लिखते हो कि क्या किया है. So there is a difference. यहाँ पे उल्टा है. In done list उल्टा है. पहले करते हो, फिर लिखते हो कि किया क्या है और उसको टिक मार्क करते हो. Whereas in your to-do list, करना क्या है उसके बारे में आप लिखते हो, करने के बाद उसको टिक मार्क करते हो. Now here is an observation, and this observation might be, think about it. Gitanjali, you also think कि ये जो आपने 3 चीज लिखे हैं, would it have come in your to-do list? Okay, because these things have already happened. So would it have been that this would have come in your to-do list well in advance? Okay, so there is a nuance over here. बाकी लोगों को भी मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि आप जब 3 done list लिखते हो, तो वो जो done list है वो आपकी complete हुए कि नहीं. Okay, so that's what that's what this nuance is. कि जो लिखा है आपने ये 3 चीजें किए हैं, तो अगर आपका to do list होता और आप उसको यूज करते, तो ये आता क्या? ये जो 3 चीजें लिखी
so I'm sharing.
Yeah.
Arun, in context of what we had done for weekly review, I'm sharing that these 2 are done. So here, taking it here.
Fantastic. So in fact, these were part of your projects. So yes. Guys, amazing. So many of you might be wondering कि हमारे projects complete हो रहे कि नहीं हो रहे. यहाँ पे देखो projects complete हो रहे. Real life example. Projects complete हो रहे, strike off हो रहे, celebration भी हो रहा है. Okay, so we have to do it, and these are the things that we would be covering and completing. Okay, so thank you. So Gitanjali, if you can, what do you say? Get your screen off. Maybe
Yeah.
Maybe,
Stop sharing.
Yeah, stop sharing. Okay. So TK. So this is one exercise that we did. What do we mean by done list? Okay, so use done list. अगर आपका to do list sticky नहीं हो रहा है, आपको habit नहीं बन रहा है, तो done list कर दीजिए. That is every day. What you have to do is कल और आज तक जो किया है वो लिख लीजिए और टिक मार्क कीजिए. इससे आपका habit develop हो. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the next concept, and the next concept is listening for action. Okay, ये जो next concept है, this is for listening for action. Now I'm going to give you a real life example. Okay, so there is a real life example that I'm going to give you, and this is example between me and Jaya. Okay, so Jaya is over here on our session. And yesterday on the WhatsApp chat, we had a conversation. And I want you to listen to this conversation. And I'm going to ask you a question at the end of the conversation, what the conversation was. And the question is, can you find out what are the actionable items over here? Okay, so I'll share the context. हमारे बीच में जय और मेरे बीच में वार्तालाप हुई, कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ. कॉन्वर्सेशन होने के बाद I want you guys to guess कि ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद एक्शन क्या लेना है. मतलब अरुण क्या एक्शन लेगा, जया क्या एक्शन लेगी, ये आपको बताना है यहाँ पे. Okay, or you can put it on chat. Okay, so here is a conversation. Jaya actually spoke to me on WhatsApp message saying that she needs a help on her goals list. उसको help चाहिए थी goals list के लिए, and she asked कि 12 बजे can we connect? And I said sure, and she also said yeah, please check my sheet as well. Okay, so my question to you, and I want answer to that you want answers to get from your this thing on the chat. Who will be able to give me what are the list of actionables that are coming out of this? Okay, so tell me what are the actionable things that are coming out of this. Who would like to take it? Okay, so
screen is not shared. Sorry.
Yeah. So let it be. Screen is not shared at this point. That's fine. So put it on chat. I had a conversation with Jaya, and Jaya asked me that I want you to go through. I want to speak with you, and can we have a chat? Okay, so on the chat I said yes, we'll get back at 12. Okay, so yeah, so let's take it from Hamza. Okay, so Hamza, unmute yourself and tell me, for me, what are my actionable items? What is my listening for action over here?
Hi Arun, good morning everyone. So first is you will have to schedule a 12 p.m. call with her. That's what she asked you in your calendar. Second is you will have to take out time to check her goal list. So first she has to add you in your in her Google Drive so that you can access her goal list, and then you have to either make changes in that and give her feedback on the 12 p.m. call.
Fantastic. So guys, are you able to hear, did you guys listen to what Hamza said? Very profound, and not many of us we are able to catch it. Okay, so मुझे क्या करना है? I will go whenever I have said yes, and when you say yes, it is also for the previous question and previous request, as well as after I said yes, she said also do check in my sheet. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get to my Google Calendar, immediately type in meeting with Jaya. I need to get Jaya's email ID, put that email ID over there, send an email. And if I'm going to have it on Zoom or Google Meet, I'm going to also share the link to her. Okay, this is the Zoom and Google Meet. The mail goes to her. Okay, my job is done. Now, if the meeting is at 12, ideally we should have a prep time, minimum 5 to 10 minutes of prep time, where don't show up for the meeting just like that. कि हाँ भाई हम तो मीटिंग के लिए आ गए, अभी यहाँ पे बोल में चॉकलेट पड़े हैं, वो खाएंगे और जो सर है वो हमको बताएंगे कि मीटिंग में क्या होगा. You guys are not prepared for it, and when the questions are given to you, you're like ducking for the questions कि मुझे तो नहीं आता है, कोई और आंसर करे तो बेहतर है. We don't want you to do that. Have minimum 10 minutes of preparation whenever you are going for any team, any meeting. इसलिए meeting का agenda बहुत जरूरी है. When I'm going to send to the an email invite to Jaya, I'm going to have an agenda for it. Okay, agenda लिखना मत भूलना कि ये चीज 5 मिनट में होगी, ये चीज 10 मिनट में कवर होगी, ये चीज and all those things. I will open her sheet, go through it, add comments कि अच्छा ये ठीक से नहीं है, यहाँ पे ये गलत है, ये गोल जो है ये क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, and all those things. So I will walk through all those things, all those items, okay, and then I'll complete it. So thank you, Hamza. You gave a very phenomenal and great answer. Now for many of us, you might think that ये तो easy है, या ये तो I know that. But many a time in organization, what happens? Two people working at the same level. Let's say there are two interns working at the same level. दोनों को ईमेल मिलते हैं. एक बोलता है मुझे तो यहाँ पे 2 action items दिखते हैं. दूसरा बोलता है मुझे तो यहाँ पे 5 दिखते हैं. So for one person, the listening for action is different, and it is different for the other person. Okay. So this was one example that we wanted to quickly have it, and this is for listening for action. Okay. Now let's take another concept. Okay, so we have completed this concept. Keep on listening. कि यहाँ पे, when people speak to you, they are giving you actionable items. You have to have it either in your calendar, pocket in your calendar, or it has to go in your to-do list. Either of one. क्योंकि ये actionable item है, ये मैं commitment ले रहा हूँ मेरे लिए, खुद के लिए या दूसरे के लिए, तो उसको पार्क करना बहुत जरूरी है. You need to capture it. You need to have it. Okay. So let's move on to the next concept that we want to cover, and this concept is called as holding the space powerfully. Okay, so this concept is holding the space powerfully, and I'm going to put in on the chat message a question. Okay, so ये just एक exclamation mark है, question है. ये आप WhatsApp message पे बहुत बार देखा होगा कि कोई तो आपको पूछ रहा है, कोई तो आपसे सवाल कर रहा है, जवाब चाहता है. So my question to you is, has it ever happened that you have asked question to someone and someone has not replied? Has it happened? Put in yes. Has it happened that you have asked question to someone and someone has not replied? Okay, so Shweta is saying yes, Rina is saying yes. And do you really get dejected? Okay, no, anywhere in your life, let's say you're typing in on a WhatsApp message, you're asking a question and people are not answering. Okay, so many times. So this might be happening. Okay, and this could be true. And we really get dejected. So see, we are human beings, and if the people are not responding to the question, we really get dejected. And for that reason, and we want what other people are expecting from us, so we should also exhibit the same thing. So whenever you are given a question mark, always see that you answer it. नहीं पता है तो बोल दीजिए मुझे नहीं पता है. नहीं बताना है तो बोल दीजिए कि मुझे ये टाइम पे आपको नहीं बताना है. Okay, yeah, you don't have answers, you don't know, or you will get back to people, or or you say no comments. Okay, close it. हम closure नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so many of us, we don't close it. So other than a joke, let's say if there is a joke in a WhatsApp message show हो रहा है जिसके पीछे question mark है, everything else other than a joke जिसके पीछे question mark है, everything else is to be taken seriously and you have to answer. So कोई भी conversation में पीछे question mark है, आपको answer करना ही है. You have to reply because people are expecting. And as you said कि कोई आपको answer नहीं करता है तो बहुत यार respond क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? There is a loss of power over there. So don't introduce a loss of power. Hold the space very powerfully. Okay. Another question or another thing, when you get an option of yes, no, maybe, has it possible? ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने yes, no, maybe पूछा है और सामने वाले ने जवाब नहीं दिया है. Okay, tell me, ऐसा कभी हुआ है? आपने yes, no, maybe ऑप्शन में लिखा है, इजी कर दिया है स्पून फीडिंग करने के लिए, और लोग सामने से जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे. ओके, और आप थोड़ा मायूस हो जाते हो, थोड़ा डिजेक्टेड हो जाते हो, यार मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के आई एम वेटिंग फॉर अदर पीपल टू आंसर, तो कर क्यों नहीं रहे? Hamza, okay. So Hamza is saying, I've never asked this kind of question. Yeah, take it as an option. Okay, try it out. It's really amazing to ask yes, no, maybe. Okay. Okay, तो होता है. So you might have these options, and options people are not answering, and you get dejected. You get really, like, यार ये क्या हो रहा है? कोई मुझे answer क्यों नहीं कर रहा? So here is the thing. कर दीजिए. Yes, I'm going to attend this training. No, I'm not going to attend this training. Clear नहीं है तो लिख लीजिए. Maybe I'm going to attend this training. Many people in our in our groups, leaders group, we are having breakdowns. We are humans. We are going to have a breakdown, and people delay decision whether I'm going to come in the meeting or not. So don't wait it till the last moment. Decide it when it shows up, not when it blows up. Okay, and use yes, I'm going to come. No, I'm not going to come. Or maybe. So maybe come use kar. Okay. Yeah, so usually you will use yes or no. Maybe if you want, you can use it. Okay, but ideally, most of us, to lead powerfully, would love to, use yes and no. Okay, no, we don't want space where maybe is there. Okay, so fantastic. Now here is a question, last question in the area of holding the space. Holding the space. Let's say मेरा बर्थडे है. Okay, let's say मेरा बर्थडे है 12 Feb, और एक ग्रुप में एक ही बंदे ने विश किया है, हैप्पी बर्थडे अरुण, and I'm like, yeah, wow, मेरा बर्थडे है और एक बंदे ने विश किया, बाकी कोई विश ही नहीं कर रहा. Now there is a tension which gets built up कि यार एक बंदे ने विश किया है, दूसरे लोग खामोश क्यों है, मेरे साथ पंगा क्या है. Okay, so there is a kind of a tenseness and insensitivity in that field. And if you see, there is no question mark, there is no yes and no maybe, but without writing and without communicating, there is a what you say, awkwardness which is built in. So in this space, you have to diffuse the awkwardness. ये जो space है, it is all this space is holded by people like you and me. And if we are not talking, we are indifferent to each other, then there is a loss of power. So whenever there is an expectation of a message, send it. It need not be even a word. आप emoji send कर दीजिए. Emoji also fills in the room. Okay, emoji also fills in a room, and that's the reason even a smiley or thumbs up adds on. Okay, so I have seen, especially on the WhatsApp message, or email, people are expecting a reply and there is an awkward silence. ये awkward silence आपके tenure में हो रहा है, and you don't want to say कि मेरे इलाके में there is an awkward silence. No, we don't want that to happen. You are the leader. You are going to lead your group. So group में सिर्फ 3 ही लोग बहुत अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं and बहुत घमासान interaction हो रहा है, और बाकी लोग silent spectator है. We don't want that. Live life full on. Full self expression से live कीजिए. अगर बोलना है कि अरुण भैया I don't want to be part of your birthday celebration, ठीक है, मेरे को privately बोल दीजिए, अरुण, I'm not here for this 2 days, so but great that to listen that, okay, it's your birthday. Even that conversation or communication is good for me. Okay, but don't have awkwardness, don't have indifference. Okay, we are humans. We need other people's acknowledgement. We need other people's responsiveness. So be responsive, hold the space. Okay, so this is the holding the space powerfully. Okay, now next what we are going to do is we are going to quickly go through a priority sheet, and we want to do it quickly, let's say using a demo. Okay, So let's say Gitanjali.
Yeah, Arun.
Yeah, can you share the screen again? Your own screen.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So there might be a plan to win beta sheet.
This is the one?
No, not this sheet. Plan to win beta sheet. Just check if you can. Yeah, share it. Yeah, click on it. Fantastic. Thank you. And in this, there is a sample to-do list.
Yeah. Just a second.
Yeah. So just check. Yes, I saw it. Yes, over here, sample to-do list. Fantastic. So I want a volunteer to read this out. And what we are going to do is we are going to decide the time bucket, the monetary bucket, and the importance bucket, at least for 9 things. Okay, so let's say Gitanjali, you only do it. So edit the handbook and send it to the leaders. What do you think? When should this be done? So if this is just a sample example.
Got it.
Yeah. So drop down and select and choose. Okay. Monetary value. Okay. So what we are doing is for this activity, which is a to-do list, that is edit the handbook and send it to the leaders. Let's say we want to do this exercise for next batch. So in my mind, what is the priority that I want to set? For next batch, create a cluster group. Okay. So today we are on 11th. So when do you want to complete it?
This month is better.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay. So do something. I think delete this record. It's quite irrelevant. Okay. Yeah. So let's say you have taken a yoga subscription, assuming. Okay. And when do you want to renew it? Okay, maybe yoga or Zoom, Zoom link subscription or something like that. Okay. In case if you haven't taken the vaccine for your family, okay, when would you like to take it? Fantastic, fantastic. So guys, this is a demonstration on the go. Okay. There is a thinking which is happening over here. And believe me, we do less thinking. हम बहुत कम बार सोचते हैं कि ये जो चीज है वो कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कब करनी चाहिए, and all those things, and we miss it out. Okay, so closure of batch 3 लिख लीजिए. Sorry, अभी current batch लिख लीजिए 4. Celebrate closure of batch, plan to win. यहाँ पे task में 4.
So how can we sort it, Arun?
Yeah, so select the whole. Yeah, so you have selected all and go to data. There is a sort range. Sort range in data. There is a sort range option. Sort range नीचे. Yes. Okay, and my data has header. Yes, tick mark that. My data has header, and the header, yeah, sort by. First is bucket list. हाँ, click कीजिए उसको. हाँ, bucket list.
What do I write? Time bucket?
Yeah, time bucket. Then monetary bucket. Yeah, click on it. Yeah, add another sort column. Yeah, इसको कर लीजिए monetary bucket.
Bucket. Oh, should we say importance bucket or monetary bucket first?
So monetary bucket.
Okay.
Okay, and third is importance bucket. Okay, so don't wait. So ये जो criteria है, this is called as triple sorting, and for me this makes sense. For me this makes sense कि time bucket to look at first, monetary bucket, and the importance bucket. And this is called criteria. If you want to change your criteria, you can do it, but I would recommend to use this. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort. Yeah, let's go ahead and
Arun,
sort.
sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm saying why, see, when we write importance only low, medium, high. So
Yeah.
why can't we sort second by importance and third by monetary? Monetary, we may just, we may not be so accurate, but
Yeah.
importance is very easy for the brain to comprehend, you know, like it's low, medium, high. So it's more accurate to me, I feel. What do you think monetary is more important?
It's okay if for you if you're able to do that, but see for me I go with monetary first, क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है कि see importance है ना, ये importance आप दिल से सोचते हो, and monetary जो है वो आप पैसे से तोलते हो. Okay,
पैसा भी तो दिल से लगा, मतलब ये जो वैल्यू जजमेंट है वो भी तो खुद ही देते हैं.
we want to separate those things out. And the other thing is we don't want to get lost in this ये उलझन है ना, उसमें फंसना नहीं है आपको, इसलिए that's the reason we want to have it quite separate. Okay, and it's also okay, you know, if you say that okay, importance second में हो, monetary third में हो, that's fine. But see, what will happen is it's up to you. You know, see for example, अगर मुझे penalty लगने वाली है PUC के लिए, ओके, तो मेरे लिए वो मॉनिटरी पेनल्टी ज्यादा है, तो मैं उसको मॉनिटरी पेनल्टी पेनल्टी ये अप करूंगा. एंड whereas if I have to get a cake for my family, now that is important for me, so I have said hi for bringing cake from the market, and I have said medium for getting the PUC जिसका डेट चला गया है, बट पेनल्टी में वहां पे मुझे पेनल्टी ज्यादा लग रही है. That's the reason मेरा मॉनिटरी बकेट में वो अप है.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, so go ahead, do the sorting. Okay, fantastic. Though, so the records have got shuffled and accordingly. Okay, so next 3 days में क्या pick करना है,
and phenomenal.
And all those things. Got it? So guys, your to-do list should have this kind of feature. It should have this kind of a provision. Okay, nahi hai, so that's okay. Do R&D and try to find out if those, if these things can be brought in, because we don't want, I don't want you guys to pick and choose. कि अभी मुझे पता नहीं है, मैंने to-do list में लिख लिया है, but अभी मैं, what is the next thing that I should do? Oh, let me pick and choose. नहीं. Go from the top of the list. Your criteria is already set. The criteria will tell you कि आपको उठाना क्या है. आपका मन नहीं कर रहा है तो भी उठाइए, because see 9 to 5 or 9 to 6 when you're going to do the job, वो चीजें हाथ में according to the list में ये हो सकता है कि यार टफ चीज है वो ही पहले सामने आ गई है, and you don't have to cherry picking नहीं करना है. टफ चीज पहले ही ऊपर आ गई है तो वो टफ चीज को ही हाथ में ले लो. Okay, many people ये सोचते हैं कि अच्छा मैं what I'm going to do is as a practice or as a habit, starting से ही दिन का शुरुआत में टफ चीज से लूंगा और at the end of the day easy करते जाऊंगा. और कुछ लोग उल्टा करते हैं, चेरी पिकिंग करूंगा बट स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द डे मैं वो इजी चीजें लूंगा और दोपहर को टफ चीजें लूंगा. So what I'm saying is don't do cherry picking even for tough or easy. Go as per your criteria list. 3 criteria, bucket list, monetary bucket and your importance bucket. Bucket के हिसाब से जाइए. टफ लग रहा है तो भी टफ से शुरू कीजिए, या टफ बीच में है तो भी वही हिसाब से जाइए, but don't give up. Okay?
Arun, this is just terrific, and it's amazing when you have like 100 to-do list and you have to sort it out. It makes your life. So this is my promise. I'm going to do this for my own sheet. But for example, for all of the others, do you think we can do it like this? Because I started doing it, but I needed the data. तो इसके अंदर अगर हम डेटा एंड में कॉपी करते हैं तो वैलिडेशन कर सकते हैं.
Yes, yes, you can do it for this as well. आप इसके लिए भी कर सकते हो.
इसमें हम insert कर दें अपने अपने.
Yes, you can do that.
हाँ?
Okay.
Suppose you go to your sheets and.
Yeah.
But,
Okay.
okay.
And guys, ये जो है, you know, priorities जो है,
sorry, shall I
right
go
now
to priorities?
we are just using the basic sheets and basic to-do list. We haven't gone to the advanced level कि आप categorization कर सकते हो, sorting and filtering कर सकते हो, and all those things. We haven't learned that. But take your time. कुछ time लगेगा आपको सीखने के लिए. Okay? कि ये provision मेरे to-do list में है कि नहीं. अगर नहीं है तो कोई और to-do list use कर सकता हूँ. Excel sheet use कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं, and all those things. So go slow. अगर आपको migrate करना है एक to-do list से दूसरे to-do list से, you can do it and you go slow. अभी now as Gitanjali is saying, उनका list काफी बड़ा है. So Gitanjali, you can go batch wise. You can also think कि okay, let me take 20, 20, 20 or 20, 20, 20 लेके let me manage things up. क्योंकि आपका
That's
अगर
what I did.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes, I started putting my, all these three data inside.
right,
But
right.
the whole monstrosity of the task was getting to me. Today, what I got, कि मैं खाली 20, मतलब ये खाली एक single batch को लेके भी कर सकती हूँ, just by
Right.
this exercise.
Right, right, fantastic. And here is one more thing. You're going to start your Pomodoro. 25 मिनट का Pomodoro start कर दिया. वो एक्टिविटी पे आप काम कर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, अनइंटरप्टेड वो एक्टिविटी पे काम कर रहे हो. तो बालकनी में जाते हो, एंड यू आर थिंकिंग, रिफ्लेक्टिंग कि was it possible that I could have done what I was doing faster, easier, better? Was there any shortcut? Was there any automation? ये easily हो सकता था क्या? Another question that might come up in your mind is, ये किसी और को delegate कर सकता था क्या मैं? Okay, so these questions when it comes to you, okay, then you know, okay, fine, yeah, it could have been done easier and smarter way. Then resume on doing it easier and smarter. Another thing that could come in your mind as a reflection is, do I need to resume what I was doing, or something important has come up? It is possible that बीच में या अभी break में client का call आ गया, and this is important. So what you will do is, ये जो top of the list था उसको logical break दीजिए. Client जो बोल रहा है इसको immediately चाहिए, there is a fire over there, उसको resolve कीजिए, and then get back to your top of the list sheet. Again, वो जो first task था, you have to think through कि इसको मुझे आज ही complete करना है कि ये मैं कल आज इतना करना है, बस हो गया. I'm going to do it tomorrow. Say for example, I am doing creation of a syllabus. तो आज मैंने 1 घंटा डाला उसमें, and let's say it's going to take 4 hours. आज मैंने 1 घंटा डाला उसमें. Now I don't want to put in all 4 hours of today. What I want to do is, I'm going to put today's 1 hour, tomorrow 1 hour, and next day 1 hour. And I'm consciously want to do that, so that I know that I have things broken down. एक चीज की वजह से मेरा पूरा दिन बिगड़ना नहीं चाहिए, because 4 hours is quite a bigger chunk. Okay, so when you take a break on the Pomodoro, you have to think about this, कि reflect कि अच्छा मुझे अभी क्या हाथ में लेना. Okay, now next is, so we are done with this question. Hamza, I will take your question later on. I am not getting time to look at your screen, but I'll take it later on. Next is, to all the people, ये यहाँ पे हमको goals list दिख रहा है. Many of our goals are together goals. Goals are together goals to be done with other people. Office related goals है, family related goals है. So these are called shared goals. अगर मैं marathon run करने वाला हूँ और मैं ही सिर्फ run करने वाला हूँ, then that is my private individual goals. But if I'm going to have a business with my co-founders, with my partners, that's a shared goals. So shared goals for that reason, जब weekly review करोगे, for those projects, bring your partners also. यार तू भी तो मेरा partner है, हम दोनों साथ में कर रहे हैं, तो साथ में review भी तो करना चाहिए. If you have family and families are also having shared goals, involve the family members also. Okay, so that you know you're not alone in this. You're not taking everything on your shoulder. It's shared goals and you have other people also working with you. Okay, shared goals के time पे enrollment और registration भी होगा. Enrollment or registration का मतलब you're inviting people. अरे ये this is what we are going to do. Are you excited and do you want to be part of it? My wife will say yes. My mom will say yes. My office business partner will say yes. I also want to be part of it. Okay, तुम तो मुझे invite ही नहीं कर रहे हो. तुम तो मुझे invite नहीं कर रहे हो मतलब आप enroll नहीं कर रहे हो लोगों को. सब privately celebrate कर रहे हो. सब privately कर रहे हो. So don't be a private and selfish guy. Invite people, invite others. Okay, so this is an enrollment and registration exercise. For paucity of time, we are not going to, there is an enrollment and registration exercise, and also exercise what happens when someone says no to you. We get dejected. ये exercise हम अभी नहीं करेंगे, next time करेंगे. अभी last, one second. Last question is, Gitanjali, since you have a screen over here, my question is, do you have a buddy review put in your calendar? So can you show us, do you have a buddy review record? You can go and show your Google Calendar. आप show कर सकते हो Google Calendar. Yes, it's over there. Yeah. Do you have a buddy review time set? So just check. You can use schedule. Okay. So guys, your calendar should be like this. Okay. Phenomenal example of how engaging and how filled up your calendar should be. Okay, so we just want to see if you have a record for your buddy review. Nahi hai, so what you can do is you can create one. Oh wow, fantastic guys. Real example in front of you, real life example in front of your eyes. This is how you put buddy review in your structure. Ye aisa hota hai. You have a link, you have agenda, you have everything. Okay, so whenever you are going to have buddy review, आपके office partners, आपके family members, किसी के बस साथ हो, get them involved, and you are going to have a maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes of conversation. Get them on the same page. Okay, so I think so this was the last concept, last topic that I wanted to share. I have exceeded my time. Okay, so my apologies. Darshana, please go ahead. So we can we can stop the screen share. Darshana, if you can come up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So just a minute. Perfect. So thank you so much, Arun, for this excellent training. Really appreciate. So wonderful, 24 champions here in this gathering. So thank you, Arun, for all that you have been doing. Now I am going to be a demand on you guys, like 7 minutes to go. Hamza is smiling. That what shortcuts Darshana is going to ask to type. First, I am going to dodge you. This is not a shortcut. I really demand you guys to share with us the notes that you have written. First of all, type here who has been very good at note taking right now. I mean, I don't mean legible. I don't mean legible. I mean, really you've been taking down notes from what Arun was sharing. So please type me. I am taking notes. Awesome, Shweta. Very good. So wonderful, Hamza. So he's being modest, okay? He's being fairly good. Matlab, you can imagine 10 pages of notes coming up. Shweta, thank you. Jaya, thank you so much. So आपने जिन्ने भी notes लिया है, Ranju has raised her hand. Is it for the notes that you have been taking? So if you can put in the chat, guys, we would want you to share those notes on the leaders group. Okay. And everybody, I would want you to actually have a journal maintained for Arun's training. I take an opportunity, guys, 5 minutes. I want you all to know that we are training you all because we have some selfish interest. Yeah, we want to turn you guys into super leaders. So how many of you already are super leader? Being super leader. Please type SL. SL. Hamza shortcut. SL. Yeah. Well, Gitanjali is already a super leader. How many of you leaders are already super leaders? Already super leaders in contribution, working, thinking, talking, imitating the super leaders. There's nothing wrong in imitating somebody who's awesome, right? Perfect. So super leaders, come on, show up, show up, show up. Perfect. So meanwhile, Arun has shared the feedback form. You can take a minute to share, to give him the inputs. And also, super leaders, we are here to train you. And if abhi tak aap so rahe the, koi baat nahi, abhi jag jao. A super leader can arise anytime because you have it in you. Okay, perfect. So thank you so much, guys. We are towards 10 days into the training. And what value are you taking from here? What are your takeaways? Okay, the biggest takeaway that of these 11 days, 10 days, I want you to type right now. I have become organized. So I'm actually connecting with everybody. Amit, I am connecting with Shrikar. I'm connecting with a lot of you people one-on-one. And आपके takeaways क्या है? आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो? ये हमेशा दिमाग में रखना बहुत जरूरी. Thank you. Consistent, organized. Then you have started looking at breakdowns in another different manner altogether. I have started smiling at breakdown. Today there was a breakdown and Shalaka was giving me an emoji of breakdown. Plan to win में कुछ breakdown था. There were tears. I said, girl, this is to celebrate that you have a breakdown. And I stand, all my leaders, 24, 21, अच्छा 3 लोग निकल गए. They cannot be with this conversation. No problem. We are here. We will pull them up. Okay. तो breakdown देख के हंसने को आना चाहिए. हाँ, क्या होने वाला है? क्या मजा आने वाला है? So this is what I stand for, guys. And all the super leaders are training you to become super leaders. Okay. So thank you so much. Share your takeaways. Share your notes in the group. We are moving towards our 4.0 is completed in 3 weeks. And we are going to move on to 5. Start demonstrating yourself to people so that they join into Plan to Win 5.0. Okay. One more demand is start making a list of people whom you want to, enroll into 5.0. Super leaders, that's a request to you. Uma is not here. She is actually training herself for marathon. So the leaders who are representing Uma's cluster, okay, and the super leader buddy, ensure that Uma knows that everybody has to prepare a list of people you want to see emerge as leaders in your life. Because you can transform by transforming your environment. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. It is 11:58. Now, I want you to unmute and tell me what did you take, one thing or two things precisely. Okay, 2 points. I am going to be really a demand. हम जो बात करते इतना क्रिस्प होना चाहिए ना कि ऐसा ठक करके बुलेट की तरह जाना चाहिए दूसरे के दिमाग में. Okay, got it. So, takeaways. Raise your digital hand and give me your takeaways, 1 or 2, in shortest, crispest sentence possible. So, Shweta.
Yeah, hi. So my takeaway was that triple criteria: time bucket, monetary, and importance bucket. And the second was that holding that space powerfully. Question mark say dejected nahi hona hai, reply karna hai, and create that world. That was awesome. Thank you.
Fantastic, fantastic. Seema and then Gitanjali.
Yes, I had lots of breakdown, but with each breakdown, I thought I learned so many things. So that was the best part of it. And then I have become so consistent in my work, which I
Seema,
really love about
the
it.
training from today's training, what is the takeaway?
oh, today's training, how to be, organize and learn, just plan out everything and give importance and prioritize your work and all that. That's really important. You learn which task is more important, how do you prioritize it, and put your plan into action. So that's really important.
Thank you
So
so much.
thank you, Arun, so much for giving us
Gitanjali,
this.
we will thank everybody on the chat. I want only you to share what is your takeaways for today. One
So
or two
Darshana,
words. Yeah.
from me, the next was to takeaway was to put everything into time bucket importance in that order, time monetary and importance in that order, and do it batch wise, which earlier I was not taking on. That was very powerful. Thank you.
Amit and then Jaya. 10 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, thanks everyone. Okay, today was my first day of this class. So I started to get it and I want to understand more. I have missed a couple of sessions earlier. So just help me out to get, and it was a wonderful session today. So if someone, I could get in touch with Rajesh, who could help me out probably with how to get what I have missed.
And what you got, please put in the chat. One
Sure,
thing
I will
that you
do that.
got. Jaya?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, so for me, I think to move away from the maybe, that is particularly to me, for me, to be totally with yes or no and stay away from the maybe. One thing. Secondly, hold the space powerful.
Perfect.
That's it. Thank you.
Hold the space powerfully. Thank you so much, guys. So, Arun, you can declare the meeting complete. We are at 12:01.
Yes. So thank you, guys. I put in the contact details of mine, and you can really get back to us, any of our super leaders. Thank you. I declare this training complete. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.